Sito inasabangan tanza gunsam na may samito. So bangat tang sa unso. Una may samito tuti mo na bonsieto mo soba yena. Sieto mo soba yena. Bima de tumo isi kesi mazono. Serviça e mambo makala bonsiku mazono no meka mambo mankebo babingi vavanga vo mambo ma katsika pena mwana yakala bonsiku Wanata monton kakamuvu mukyandi Ngoda vazavima
Oh, habaka bantu bole menzambi lukina Fwete yanga la Umbelolo na munjadulu zabu Kembo kwa yahandi Sudian kentu sudian zambi tutanga beto kuna kuma Kongo Bumong kentu liana falanga piabiozo Fulame hologo Yeah Kembo kwa mfumo Wanamboka Kunana roto emuko Muta Mfumure elemu Kayo yo 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 Tubutukanga Canayo, je vous entends pas
Tubutukanga
Est-ce que là-haut Est-ce qu'il y a des gens là-bas? Mais si
Tubutukanga
Demelo mame Olo zanken togo
Tubutukanga
Ngarale maloro Lili obalongo
Tubutukanga
Tubutukanga yo
Tubutukanga
Alaya jorodo
Tubutukanga
Après, il est mort.
La prochaine chanson de cet album très émouvant,
c'est le Sambou. Le Sambou, c'est la prière. Donc, nous, en Afrique centrale, surtout nous les Congos, parce que nous venons du Congo, nous sommes de l'ancien royaume Congo, nous avons notre manière de louer le Dieu qu'on appelle Zambi Mpungu, le Dieu puissant. Et là, nous l'implorons pour qu'il ait un œil de compassion pour le peuple Congo qui est un peu délaissé. Et c'est notre prière pour que ce peuple se réveille, retrouve ses valeurs, des valeurs d'humanité, d'amour. Voilà.
à vous, merci.
Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu, Tata Wekusu, Umbaku Yasemune, Wayambitikandi, the Sala Pokoma, Fumu Yalulendo, Geviti Biabiosono, Guayambiricandi, Salamo Comacu, Bantu Pe Munzagi, Eberi Wasaraboso, Guayambiricandi, Salamo Comacu.
Zambe como la cosa bella, musadi si wadi corona se. Kembo na kombo na yo, musadi si wadi kela monyoso.
Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Fumu, Vanatunu. Bingi palembolo kimi numpasi nukota diosulu. Bimbe bobina yokanzambi kumeka bana bilungu. Biaosono bilingana ngewa salabyo. Guaitambirikandi de salabokomaku. Abatoto ngepi vama piwa vana pweji itama. Matupeba bonsoro vana peki pelo kyokia sungama. Kuna zulu yekutoto kumwaku ya zanguka. Wayambilikandi ya salamokomaku. Yalulendo, Yalulendo, Vanatunu, Yalulendo, Yaluledo, Fumu, Varatunu, Za, Yaluledo, Za, Yaluledo, Varatunu, Za, Yaluledo, Za, Yaluledo,
Non, le grand mix.
Monokwami kasana siya longo, longo. Monokwami kasana siya longo, longo. Yani kavoni zingulu zangani yaya, yani kayinke twangani yaye, ebo ebebo, yani kakangwa kindo kikampimpa yaya, yani kayin susu zangani yaye, ebo ebebo. Yani kavoni zingulu zangani yaya, yani kayinke twangani yaye, ebo ebebo, yani kakangwa kindo kikampimpa yaya, yani kayin susu zangani yaye, ebo ebebo, sale, sala, sale, sala.
Kiambote Tata David, Nengwa Tariwa.
Kiambote.
Nuna mavimpi, eh?
Ingeta, tuna mavimpi. Yenu, eh?
Ita tuna mavimpi, Titondele. Oh, Tata David, I like your haircut. Good. People, I just want to, can I see your t-shirt? You got your Congo.
Oh, the Congo with the K, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, this one is
true.
the country. Yeah,
Yep.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Tata David. Let me just let me just greet the audience. If you are watching, we thank you very much. Don't move. This is the Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. Tuto Ndele. We are going back to our manual, usual. Papa, Tata Makonde book, yes? Tata Devi.
Mm-hmm.
We're going back to. Let me quickly share my slide. Yes. Data audio, I think it's coming soon. Yes. Okay. Ready? Yes. Ningwatadi, you are ready.
Yes.
Ready?
Hello.
No, thank you very much. Okay, let me go back. I always say Utokozima Kiambi. Remember, Ningwatadi, Utokozima Kiambi.
Tokozima Kambi. Yes, ingratitude is bad.
Well done. Ingratitude is bad. We say thank you to the late Tata Makonde and Professor Hezo Carter. Yes. Because of them, we have that. We have Malungme Congo, basically, yes. Because it's designed for you to speak. Yes. Have you noticed that Tata David? She doesn't waste time, you know? Professor Hezo Carter.
Yeah, let me turn up your volume a little bit. I think the problem's on my end.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, but I'm going to turn up the volume a little. That would be better. Okay.
Nangwatado, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, I think Tata David, it is on your side. Yes. Tutondele. Okay, let me just move. This. Just go back. This is plural nouns, third plural pronoun. I think by now you should be comfortable. Never tell you, yeah?
Yes.
Yes. This should be easy. Okay. Then what tell you why? First line, then you talking to Tata David, please.
Owana besinga dia kewaukwe.
Ve. Moyao kebesinga jiako.
Tutondele. Owana. Remember, I'm going to tell you again, please.
Oh, yeah.
How do you call it? Tata Audrey. Hello, Gambote.
Hello,
Gambote.
Gambote, everyone.
Yeah. How are you, Tata? Mavimpi.
Oh, just running a little late, but glad to be here.
No worries. No worries. No worries. You are brave, you know. It's Sunday, you know. Early.
Yeah.
Sunday, is it 9 o'clock? I feel 9. Is it 9?
Yeah, it's 9. 9 o'clock.
It's Sunday. Thank you. We need to honor our ancestors. Yes, we say that.
Yes.
Africans, we say that. Basically, we're going back to our original. I mean, this is our original book. Let's call it the original book. Manual. I think you're familiar to. You know that. Oh yes, you've seen that before.
Yes, I believe.
Yeah. I'm sure. Yes. You did. You done. You know that. Okay, Tata. Let me tell you what you're talking to Tata David. Owana besing. Sorry, let me go back. Owana besinga dia. Kiwakwe ve. Oyao kebesinga diako. Let me tell you, please.
Owana besinga dia kewaukwe.
Tata David, please.
Ve. Oyao kebesinga jiako.
Oh, tutondele. Tata David and Tata Audrey. Tata David, first line.
Okay.
Tata David, first line.
Wana besinga ja ke wao koe.
Ve o
Oyao.
Oyao
Kebesinga Diako.
Kebesinga ko Diako.
Kebesinga Diako. Let me just make it big.
Yes, yeah. There you go.
That's much better.
Is it good now, brother?
Yes.
Yes, much
Yes.
Yes. Wait. Yes, let me just try to find my.
Ve Oyao Kesinga
Oyao
Diako.
Besinga Diako. Yeah, okay, Kebesinga Diako. Remember, let me try to. This is Kong. Oh, I can't find it. What's happened? I can't find it here. Strange. Okay, I didn't update my file anyway. You should be able to see it. See the K here, K and ko, double negative theta.
Right. Right, yes.
Kebesinga Diako. It's confusing. It's not me. This is how you write Kikongo, according to the linguist. According to linguists, K, it looks like one word, but there are two words here. Yes, even three words. We have a K E negative goes with ko. Then we have a B E, which is third plural. Nengotedio, yes. Nengotedio, are you there?
Talking to me?
No, Nengotedio. Tell David, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, I'm still with you.
Yeah, I was saying here we have a double negative can ko. Kebesinga we have a K for negative, yeah, ko goes with ko. Then we have B E B, third plural. Then singa. What is singa? Tata David.
Going to.
Yes, singa is your auxiliary, yes? Remember?
Yeah.
So if we want to say yes, they're going to eat, it would just be Elo Oyao Besinga Ja.
Well done, yes. Well done.
That's pretty good.
Pretty good. Yeah. Okay, this is your verb is here, dia, to eat. Yes. Okay, Besinga Diako. Are we clear on that?
Question: is that a B or a D? Like K is that KED or KEB?
You mean
B as in boy.
K-E.
Oh, okay. As in boy?
B, yeah. Kebesinga,
Okay.
yeah.
Kebesinga.
Let me try to cannot do it. I'm trying to Kikongo. I mean, the way the Kikongo is written is not easy for someone who is not familiar. Kikongo. Let me try to break it down. K-B Singa. Yes. That's how. Can you see?
Okay. Yes.
So you have your K, K-A.
Is a negative.
Yeah, right. Goes with a ko at the end. All right. Then the BE is your third plural.
Okay.
Are you with me? Singa is like in English, will, your auxiliary, yes? Mm-hmm. Singa. I will. Your verb is it depends on which one. Okay. Here, let me try to test you that this is third plural. First plural. Can you move? Can you remove? Drop the BE. We're using first plural.
Okay. But I still use the K.
Yes, because it's negative. Yes, please.
Okay. So would I say ve Oyao Kesinga ko Kesinga Deyako?
Can you see the K? You drop. We're dropping a B E. You have a B. You drop a B.
Oh, you said drop the ve?
Yeah, because bird is your third plural. We use. You need first. We need first plural. Yes.
Okay, so I'm just trying to get an understanding. So
Mm.
are you saying they as in VVE or they as in the Bay as in
Oh, no.
Bensinga?
Let me just try. Sorry, I forgot. Sorry, my fault. Let me just use my point. Don't worry about it. We're dropping BE.
Okay. Okay.
Remember,
So
BE is your personal pronoun. Yes.
okay. So will I say
Uh,
will I say
to
they
K to singer.
Ted Ted to Singa
Yes.
Diako or wait
Yes. K to singer diako.
Ke to Singa Diako.
Yes. Thank you. Okay. Let me just move. Wana is plural. Yes. Wana. Oh, sister's here. Yes. Hello, sister. Welcome.
Cambote.
Welcome. Yes, we are going back to Papa Makonde kwa manual. Yes, just a talk. Yes. Owana, sorry, plural. Owana besinga dia. Kiwakwe, ve, oyao, them, they, ke besinga dia ku. Next slide. Just make it clear for sister. K goes with ko, yeah? Double negative, yes, sister? Yeah, K goes with ko. So here we have K besinga. K is your negative. Be here is your third plural, personal pronoun. If I want to say we, I'm going to drop be, K to singer. Second plural, K to singer. Is it clear, Sister Candice?
I think I remember that.
Yeah. Yeah, the issue is, the issue. Because the way Kiko is written is all in one, see? We have a K all in one, confusing. Be, that's why, can you see on the, I'm sure you can see that, K, be, singer.
Yes, I can see.
Yes, singer is your auxiliary, yes? Be is your first pronoun. We, two, remember two luba, yeah? Two luba, first plural.
Two luba.
Yeah. They will remember the formula, math formulas, you remember? Yeah. Two luba. And what I do, yes? Two luba, yes? You quiet, then what I do?
Are you talking?
Dr. David?
Ingeda.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let me just write down. Remember the formula. Second, tuluba. Oh, my computer, it is too hot here, you know? Very slow. The process is struggling. Okay. Give me 1 minute, sorry.
Okay. Yeah, give me 1 minute too. I'll be right back.
Right.
No worries.
Just getting some tea. Hold on.
Yeah. Okay. This is your first, second, third plural. Then what kind of say? First, second, third plural. Yes?
Okay.
Remember, KB school be basinga, besinga, same thing. Hey, Cambo de
Cambo de punch.
Hey, brave man. Yeah, you made it. Bravo. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going back to our usual manual, yeah? Tata Makondigo documents, yes?
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just saying that the easiest way to remember the first, second plural of, let me say it again, sorry. First, second, third plural, the formula is, quote, unquote, formula is Tuluba, yes?
Yeah.
Lingua Candace, yes, it's easy. Tuluba. Our formula.
Tuluba.
Yeah, it's there. It's there on my screen. Yes. Always remember, third plural could be B or Ba. Yes? B or Kikongo, basically, the last vowel. How many vowels did we get? Okay. You know your vowels. Kikongo, strangely enough, you could use any vowel at the end. That's yes? Depend on the variant. We say Kiambote, but in my area, I'm from Kwilu Futa, we say Kiambota. Yes? We say Mbote. If you go DRC, people say Mboti. So the last vowel vary. It depends on variant. Yes? Okay. Going back to our main lesson. Tuluba, try to remember that, memorize, yes? Tuluba is your personal pronoun for first, second, and third plural. Am I clear? Are we okay?
Yes.
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 Yeah.
Okay, here we have Kebesinga. Remember, let me just try to use my point. You're doing well, you know. I'm serious because you're learning proper Kikongo. People, okay, we are live. I need to control myself anyway. Kebesinga, yeah. K goes with ko, yeah. Double negative, remember?
Right.
B here is your personal pronoun. It could be ba, yes. Be ou ba. It depends on various. I mean, we're talking third plural. Are we clear? Yes.
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 We are not going to cook. Yes. Okay. Talking about us. First singular. Lingua cadence, please. Just drop B.
The bed.
B-E. Yes.
You said the
We need the first plural. The first plural. Is there on the screen?
Ketusinga
Bravo.
Lambako.
Yes. Ketusinga Lambako. It's confusing because all in one. This is how the I mean, not me, linguists, Kikongo linguists, they said that we have to write like this. And they're right because you don't pause. When you don't say K, B, Singa. Are you with me? That's earlier.
Yes.
You say Kebesinga. That's one word, yes. Okay, you many are not going to cook. That's Audrey. You just dropping B, you dropping B. Then you
okay,
is down left on the screen, top left on the screen we have second plural.
In the second plural?
Yes, please. See the screen on the top.
Ve Oyahu Lu Kelu Singa Lumbako.
Lambako, well done,
Lumbako.
yes. Yeah, but here, something here, we need to change something here. Ve, we're talking second plural.
Oh, Ve Lu Ve Lu Yahoo.
Oh yeah,
I mean, yeah, I'm sorry. K Oyan Oyanu. Oyano. Kelusinga Lumbako.
Yes.
So I didn't catch that beginning part. It's there, and then what's the next word?
You're right, sister. Let them just try to help you. Remember English there, no, there. So because here is we're dropping be, B, K, B. We're going for the second plural. So this is third plural. We need to change this as well. So now just remember your suffixes. Eto, eno, second plural. Ve, oyeno.
Okay.
Kelu.
Ve oyeno.
Yes.
Kelusinga lambako.
Yes.
Okay.
That's why I keep saying. Just remember, always remember your suffixes because it is important. Okay, tutto ndele. Okay, let's just go to. Any questions on this one?
No.
Tutto ndele. Tata Allen, you're talking to Nengwa Candace. Just read as it is. Yeah, we're not to moving stuff. Remove stuff. Tata Allen, please. First line, please.
Or Kento. Would that be
Besinga. No, just read as it is, Tata Allen.
Okay, I tell this. Okay. Or Kento Besinga Lamba Kewauko.
Thank you, sister. Ve oyao.
Oyao kebesinga lambako.
Tutto ndele. Next slide.
Can you make it a little larger if you don't mind?
Okay. 1 minute. So. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah, so people won't be able to see you. Just move this. Give one. Okay, I should be okay. Tata David and Nengwa, Tata Audrey. Tata David, first line, please.
Okay. Wakundi auku besinga vutuka. Kewauko, eh?
Well done.
There,
Thank you.
Oyahu Kebasinga Tukako.
Vutukako, well done. Yes. Tutto ndele. Nengwa Teddy and Tata Allen, please. Nengwa Teddy, first line.
Owantu besinga vata kewaukwe.
Thank you.
Ve. Wow. Kebesinga Vatako.
Oyao, Tata Allen. Oyao, please.
Oyao Kebesinga Vatako.
Tutto ndele. Nengwa Cadence, first line, then Tata David, second, please.
Okay.
Ndezi. Oh, sister is not around. Okay. Tata Audrey. Okay, go. You're on mute, Tata, sister.
Okay.
Ndezi Zawana.
Ndezi Zawana Besinga Sala.
Well done.
Kewau Ke.
Thank you.
Kewau Kwe.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Ve oyao kebesinga salako.
Tutto ndele. I think Tata Kwasi is here. Hello, Tata Kwasi. Yeah, okay. Ndezi Zawana. Yes. Remember Kikongo, Tata Kikongo is repetitive. You know, Ndezi, the word Ndezi, if you drop, just keep the first N, ND, Ndezi. Ndezi means babysitter, but here we're saying babysitters of the children, yes? Zawan, is that time?
Yeah.
This is a one. Yeah. Tata Audrey, first line, please. Then Nengwa tell you a second. Mfumuzamavata. Tata Audrey.
Impu, trying to see. Impumu.
Zamavata.
The beginning of it is covered. Like the first line, half of it's kind of covered. Can you move it down a little? Because we can't see all of the top line.
Oh, 1 minute. Let me just check.
Oh wait.
Can you see now?
Yeah.
Can you see
Is
the
that
footprint?
too small?
Well, yeah, it's too small. Well,
we
I'll
can't.
just try it.
Yeah, we'll
Oh,
just deal with it like that.
I'm sorry. Let me just
It's
help
all
with
there.
it. Empumuzamavata. That's the first word. Empumuzamavata.
Impumu Zambata Besinga Beyoka Ke Waako E.
Okay, let me just try to help. Empumuzamavata Besinga Vyoka. Tata, can you read again, please? Empumuzamavata.
Impumu Zavakata Besinga Veyoka. Did I say that right?
Vyoka. It's Empumuzamavata.
Oh, okay, you're right. That Y gives the E sound. Vyoka Ke Wauko E.
Yes, well done. But you just you write Kewauko, but you read just one word, Kewakwe.
Kewakwe.
Well done, Kewakwe. Ignore the last U. Kewakwe, yes. Thank
Is
you.
that A? Is it
Then
like
the
almost like
answer?
it's like Kewa, like that, like Kewako? I mean
It is
Kewakwe.
Kewauko. Exactly.
It's almost like
Kewauko,
WOW, like wow.
Okay.
Yeah, Kewakwe,
Kewauko.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, wow,
Okay.
Kewakwe.
Kewako.
Second line, yes. Thank you, brother.
Did you say me?
Oh, you mean me? Okay.
Oh, okay.
Nengo tell you, please. Sorry.
Okay. Ve oyao kebesinga vyokako.
Oh yeah, okay. Besinga Vyokako. Any questions?
With me, I'm just trying to get the words down. Pronouncing.
It's not easy. Yeah, not easy. Fumuzama Vata. Vata is village, yeah, in Congo, village. Fumu, chief.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
So what does to vyokele mean? Since vyokele means
You tell me. Yeah, well done, you tell me. You got your verb, vyoka, then you get to. You tell me who is brave.
Does that mean?
Sorry?
Does that mean we pass?
Yes,
We
to
are
Vyokele. Okay. You people, you many, you tell me. You many passing by. How do you say that? Then what I do?
Lu. You say Lu vyokele.
Yeah, Lu Vyokele, yes.
Oh, that's pretty good.
You Vyokele. They, them, they're going by, they're passing by. That's all.
What is it? Bavyoka?
Yes, Bavyokele. Yes,
Bavyoka.
Yeah, well done.
Okay, that makes sense.
Bavyokele. Tu Vyokele, yes. Lu Vyokele, Bavyokele. Well done.
Oh, okay. I heard it once, now I was confused. I didn't know what it meant.
Sorry?
I heard it once when I was watching one of the
Kikongo show.
Congo shows, yes.
Oh, okay.
That's fair.
Vyokele, yeah. Tata David and Tata Allen.
Okay.
First line, Tata David, please.
All right. Owana Besinga Leka. Kewauko, eh?
Well done, thank you.
Ve. Owau kebesinga leikako.
Oyao, Tata Allen, Oyao.
Oh, I didn't say Oyao.
Oyao, you say Oyao.
Oh, Oyao. Oh, I'm sorry. Oyao kebesinga leikako.
If you say wow, you mean now.
Okay.
Wow. Titondele. 012 Besinga Vivila. Nengwa Tadiwa and Tata Audrey. Yes. The first line, Nengwa Tadiwa, please.
012 Besinga Vivila. Kewaukwe.
Thank you.
Ve oyau
Ve.
besing ve oyau besinga vebilako.
K.
Oh, I didn't say K?
You don't
Okay.
drop K.
Ve oyau. You said drop the K?
No, you don't. You did drop, but you should keep the K.
Oh,
K
ve oyau ve oyau ke besinga vebilako.
Vivilako. Can you try it again?
Vivilako.
Vivilako, yes. Vivila.
Okay, ve oyau ke besinga vivilako.
Vivilako, yes. To listen, but with attention, yes. You pay attention. Vivila. Tatalen. Are you familiar with this word, Tatalen? Vivila. To listen, but we use wa to listen, but when you say vivila, we mean you pay attention.
Okay. Nope.
Yes. Okay, Sister Candace, can you try the first line, please? Let me just try to help here. Impumuzamavata.
Impumuzamavata besinga vova kewalke. Kewalke.
Give me just 1 minute. Let me just try to write it down to try to simplify. Give 1 minute. Bear with me. Kewalke. Okay. It's like this, yes? Kewalke. Yeah.
Kewalke.
Yeah, don't worry about the long line. I mean, teaching anyway. This is phonetic spelling, yes. Kewalke. Okay, tutondele. Well done. Let me just go back. We're done, yes. We just need to double check our grammar. Well done. That lingua. No, this one is. Okay, O1 to Tatalen, O1 to Besinga Vivila. Singular. This is plural. We just want a person.
Is it Ubuntu? No, is it Muntu?
Yeah, Muntu. Yeah, let me try to explain. Bantu, generally speaking, the other side, the Congo, DRC, they use B. But Angola, we go for W. Yes? Yes.
Okay.
For plural, yes. Even sometimes people drop the W. Are you following me? That David. Yes. Muntu. Yeah, carry on, Tata Alan, please.
Okay. Muntu Besinga Vivila. No. Okay, I got it. Okay. Omuntu
Osinga, yeah.
Osinga, yeah. Osinga Vivila Kewalke.
Yeah. Did you get that, Sister Candace? This is the first. We need to drop it because it's plural. Third plural. Yes.
It's third plural.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying that because we're going for singular. This is plural. 1, 2. So if you say Muntu, automatically you need to drop this. You need to change to singular. Omuntu, Osinga Vivila. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I didn't know what the singular was for Besinga.
Oh no! Okay. No, don't worry. I was asking that, Arlen. I'm just highlighting because we change this automatically. We need to change our personal pronoun.
So is that Osinga as the second person or?
Second and plural, yes. Second and plural. Onge yosinga, oyando singa, yes. Yes.
No, you mean on second singular.
Omuntu, no, omuntu, if you say, omuntu, him or her. Third singular, yes. Yes.
Yeah, third singular, okay, third singular, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, oyandi, yes, oyandi. Omuntu. Yes, we're done for today. Let me just try to see if I can find. I just want to make sure we're clear on this. You're doing well. I mean, I'm a bit hesitant because I'm trying to see where we are before I move to higher level. That's Adrian. I'm just testing you. I just make sure that Sister Candace is there, Tata is there, Tata, yes. Yes. Remember here, personal pronoun here, oyao.
Oyao.
We are using the suffixes ame, aku, andi, eto, eno, au. Oyao.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah. If I want to say us, oyeto, yes, remember? Yeah. Questions?
No questions.
Yes. Sister Candace, questions?
No questions.
Tutondele. Okay, let's call the day. We done well. You done well. You are brave people. Let me try to remove my screen. Very slow. Okay. Okay, thank you very much for your time. We need to honor our ancestors. We say that we're Africans, you know. We have to say that we are here because of them. Yes? Remember?
Yes.
This is a language they spoke when they landed in the US. Yeah. Remember when we went to, we did Louisville? I thought you don't like Louisville. Louisville basically is your DNA spoken, I mean, verbal DNA. Yes. When I say Louisville, you remember Louisville, yes. When I say Louisville, basically I'm talking about my clan, where's background, my ancestors. Every single tribe, every single clan in Congo Kingdom has their own Louisville. This is a password, we could call it passcode, yes. Anyway, this is a language they spoke. We're trying to keep it alive, yes. Tutondele, thank you for your time.
Tutondele.
Gwenda Kambote.
Sala Kambote.
Thank you.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongole meso mwene isibuli matu uwidi ikonzo dienu Yeno luvovanga bo kongo diafwa Yeno luvovanga bo kongo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu bizatala kwenwe Ekulu mimikase kongo diatungwa Vanga bo kongo diafwa Keno luvo vanga bo kongo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mbikansi kongo diatumba
Pipanarda uma história que tá gravando na minha memória África foi sempre linda, o nosso berço da humanidade Havia muito renato, havia muita felicidade Vivíamos dentro da lei Paulo do reino do Congo, Ninha Lukeni era o rei Habitava em Banda Congo, em companhia do outro rei Pode chamar de Todila, se esquecendo mamá que pra vida Nos chama de Yalangu, carrego o Culumbimbi Essa imagem me identifica Banda Congo, a minha terra, a minha mãe, o meu coração Olha que nos fala mal, peço liberdade
vangavo Congo diafwa Kenulo vangavo Congo diafwa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu bizatala kwenwe Ekulumbi mikansi Congo diatumba.
Vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, venha conhecer o patrimônio, venha conhecer o Culumbimbi em Banza onde está.
Agradecemos a todos aqueles que preservam a cultura nacional, a sua excelência governador da província do Zaire, ao Conselho de Ancião e o seu responsável do Lumbo, Afonso Mendes, Papá Matalulu, Farmácia Salaquaco, chefe de Bete, a FEPRO, elenco do 6, do Culturama todo, com luta muito socorro.
Vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, vocês que dizem que Congo morreu, venha conhecer o patrimônio, venha conhecer o Culumbimbi em Banza onde está.
Ebola,